Are you looking for the best full synthetic oils in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best full synthetic oils that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. High mileage engines demand more than a standard oil change. They need a formula engineered specifically for the challenges that come with age and accumulated wear. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic 0W20 answers that call, with a well-rounded package tailored for vehicles crossing the 75,000-mile threshold. Central to its performance is Mobil 1's triple action formula, which works simultaneously to enhance engine performance, maximize protection, and maintain internal cleanliness. Sludge removal is a particular strength, actively breaking down existing buildup while also helping reduce operating temperatures for a cooler, healthier engine. The thermal range this oil covers is genuinely impressive. Reliable protection from an extreme -30 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether facing bitter winter cold starts or demanding summer highway drives, this oil remains stable and effective throughout. ILSAC GF6 certification adds important modern safeguards, including low-speed pre-ignition prevention and timing chain wear protection, two areas of growing concern in today's downsized turbocharged engines. With a 10,000-mile change interval, Mobil 1 High Mileage 0W20 combines premium protection with genuine long-term convenience for aging vehicle owners. Moving on at number 4, we have the Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Engine Oil. For diesel engine owners who refuse to compromise on protection, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 15W40 has long been a gold standard, and for good reason. This 3-gallon pack offers exceptional value while delivering performance that serious drivers and fleet operators depend on. The foundation is Shell's proprietary Triple Protection Plus technology, which simultaneously guards against the 3 biggest threats to diesel engines: wear, harmful deposits, and oil breakdown. Enhanced oxidation resistance further extends the oil's effective life, even under sustained heavy loads. Cold weather startups are noticeably smoother too, with superior cold cranking properties and low temperature pumpability that outperform conventional and synthetic blend 15W40 alternatives. This matters enormously in harsh climates, where morning startups place the greatest stress on engine components. Compatibility with modern exhaust emissions control systems makes it a practical fit for newer diesel platforms, while improved wear performance beyond APICJ 4 specifications adds an extra layer of confidence. What truly sets Rotella T6 apart is its extraordinary warranty, up to 15 years or 500,000 miles with exclusive use. For diesel owners who want long-term engine security, this is hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. Older engines have unique needs, and Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife technology SAE 5W20 was built specifically to meet them. For vehicles pushing well beyond 75,000 miles, this synthetic blend offers a thoughtful combination of protection and restoration that stands out in a crowded market. At the core is MaxLife technology, delivering 40% better wear protection than industry standards, a critical advantage for engines where component tolerances have widened over years of use. Perhaps even more valuable for high-mileage owners are the integrated seal conditioners, which work to reduce oil consumption and minimize leaks, two of the most common frustrations with aging engines. The formula also goes on offense against internal contamination. Advanced detergents actively combat sludge, rust, corrosion, and harmful deposits, helping restore smoother, quieter operation over time. Friction-fighting additives round out the package by supporting fuel efficiency. Certification across ILSAC, GF6A, APISP, and APISN with SN Plus confirms it meets today's demanding standards. Proudly American-made by a brand with over 150 years of heritage, this is high-mileage protection you can trust. At number 2, we have the Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 0W20 Motor Oil. If you take engine protection seriously, the Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 0W20 deserves a serious look. Engineered for drivers who demand more from their motor oil, this formula punches well above its weight class. The headline figure is hard to ignore: 6x better wear protection on critical engine parts than industry standards. For high-mileage drivers or those pushing their vehicles in demanding conditions, that kind of margin offers genuine peace of mind. Equally impressive is its viscosity stability, holding up 3x stronger against breakdown compared to leading full synthetics. Sludge has long been a silent engine killer, but Castrol GTX tackles it head-on, delivering 1.3x better sludge protection while actively cleaning away existing buildup in heavily affected engines. With a 10,000-mile change interval, it also proves cost-effective over time. Broad specification coverage, including APISP, ILSAC, GF6, GM Dexos 1 Gen 3, and dual Ford approvals, makes it compatible with a wide range of modern vehicles. For drivers who want maximum protection and extended drain intervals, Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 0W20 is a compelling choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Oil. When it comes to keeping your engine running at its best, choosing the right motor oil makes all the difference. The Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 delivers on every front, making it one of the most reliable options on the market today. What immediately stands out is its exceptional wear protection, 40% stronger than industry standards. This directly translates to reduced friction, smoother operation, and improved fuel economy over time. Cold weather performance is equally impressive, with outstanding low-temperature flow that minimizes metal-to-metal contact during cold starts, which is precisely when most engine damage occurs. The 15% better deposit defense keeps internal engine components cleaner, while up to 2.5x superior heat protection actively combats sludge formation and thermal breakdown during demanding drives. Compatibility is a strong suit too, meeting ILSAC GF7A, APISQ/SPSN Plus standards, alongside Ford, Chrysler, and GM Dexos 1 Gen 3 specifications. For drivers seeking long-lasting engine health and peace of mind, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20 is a smart, well-rounded investment.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.